What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? A quick one here. Safety feature I just figured out in the F-150 2021. This would be great for boat owners if you ever see those boat fails, okay? You'll know what I'm talking about. You have your car or your truck in drive, and this works for the column shift too. If you have a column shift F-150, if you open up the door, it defaults back to park. That's a great option to have, especially for those boat owners, cuz. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Yo, Sonny. Sonny, where are you, kid? Sonny? Sonny, you back there, kid? Sonny!
Yeah, Sonny.
What do you want to do there, kid? You know Sonny, right?
Yeah.
All right, Sonny's my boy, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Sonny want a balloon?